Welcome to Week 4 of our module. This week, we'll dive into advanced analysis tools, focusing on Python and R, two of the most popular programming languages used in data analytics today. These tools allow us to handle large datasets, perform complex analyses, and create professional visualizations far beyond what we can do in Excel. Don't worry if you're new to coding. Our goal is to help you understand the logic behind these tools and how they can make data-driven decisions simpler and more effective. We'll begin with significance testing, which helps us determine whether an observed result is genuine or just due to random chance. For instance, if a new marketing campaign seems to increase sales, significance testing helps us check whether that increase is statistically meaningful or just a coincidence. This is a core concept in business analytics because it ensures that our conclusions are based on evidence rather than assumptions. Next, we'll look at non-parametric tests, such as the chi-square test, which are useful when our data doesn't follow normal distribution patterns, or when we're dealing with categories instead of numbers. For example, the chi-square test can help us find out whether customer satisfaction levels differ across regions, or whether product preferences vary between genders. These tests are simple but powerful tools for understanding relationships in business data. We'll then move on to regression and clustering techniques. Regression analysis helps us model relationships between variables. For example, predicting future sales based on advertising spend or customer visits. It's a key method for forecasting and identifying what factors truly drive performance. Clustering, on the other hand, groups similar data points together, allowing us to identify patterns such as different customer segments or regional sales behaviors. It's especially valuable in marketing and customer analytics. Finally, we'll introduce time series analysis, which is used to study data that changes over time, such as monthly sales, stock prices, or website traffic. Time series helps businesses forecast future trends, plan inventory, and make strategic decisions based on seasonal or cyclical patterns. By the end of this week, you'll have a clear understanding of how Python and R can be used to perform these analyses, how each technique supports business decision-making, and how to interpret results in a meaningful way. These skills form the foundation for modern business analytics and will help you move from simply observing data to truly understanding and applying it for better business outcomes.